few boho elements can transform your entire living space into a cozy retreat? It's true, and you don't need a full makeover to make it happen. Boho chic style is all about effortless charm. It's a mix of eclectic, free-spirited design with layers of texture, color, and soul. Whether you're a maximalist or minimalist at heart, boho chic can be tailored to your vibe. And today, I'll show you how to bring this beautiful, laid-back style into your home. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Boho looks amazing in photos, but how do I actually pull it off in my own space without it looking like a flea market exploded? That's the tricky part, right? Boho chic walks a fine line between curated and chaotic. The goal is a space that feels collected, not cluttered, full of life and personality, but still functional and calm. The challenge is finding that sweet spot where your decor reflects your individuality without sacrificing comfort or cohesion. You don't want to live in a showroom or a storage room, so let's break it down and see how you can build a boho chic look that's balanced, inviting, and totally you. Layered rugs are a boho staple. Try pairing a neutral jute base with a patterned Persian or Moroccan rug on top. It's a simple way to ground your space and add instant personality. And don't stop at the floor. Bring in pattern through throw pillows, wall hangings, and even upholstery. Think tribal prints, geometric shapes, or vintage florals. Mix and match everything: wicker, velvet, leather, macrame, raw wood, metal. Texture keeps the eye moving and gives your room that rich, lived-in feel. Even something as small as a woven basket or a chunky knit blanket can shift the energy in the room. Boho spaces thrive on greenery. Pothos, monstera, snake plants. They're not just decor, they're vibe setters. Place them at different heights: floor plants, hanging planters, window shelves. It brings that earthy, grounded feel that boho is all about. Low seating like floor cushions or poofs adds that relaxed, loungy atmosphere. Look for natural materials like rattan, bamboo, or reclaimed wood. You don't need a full furniture haul. Even swapping out one piece, like adding a vintage chair or replacing your coffee table with something more organic, can make a huge difference. Want to elevate it further? Add personal touches, travel souvenirs, framed art, heirlooms, or handmade pieces. Boho isn't about matching, it's about meaning. So if you want to bring boho chic into your living space, remember, layer your textures, embrace patterns, go green with plants, and don't be afraid to mix styles. Make it cozy, make it meaningful, and above all, make it yours. What's your favorite boho chic element? Is it the plants, the prints, or maybe those comfy poofs? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how you style your space. And if you're craving more design ideas, be sure to check out my other videos for inspiration on cozy aesthetics, color palettes, and DIY decor tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next.